What is up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking the Litecoin against the US dollar chart, and I'm going to show you how the Litecoin price can go above $300 in the month of April, in my opinion. And with my technical analysis, we'll be doing some short-term technical analysis to see if we can find any trading opportunities. And Litecoin can be traded on Bybit, on Femex, and also on PrimeXbt, which is my favorite trading platform at the moment, guys. If you use any of my links, you'll be getting the best bonus out there. This will help out the channel also. PrimeXbt is the best one in my opinion. If you use my link and Bitcoinsensus 50 as promotion code, you'll be getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $2,000, you'll be getting $1,000 on top of that to trade with, guys. We'll be checking out also this New Zealand retirement funds multi-million-dollar Bitcoin allocation surges 460% in 5 months, and Visa plans to allow partners to settle fiat transactions with crypto, and Oaktree Capital founder Howard Marks changes his mind about Bitcoin as demand soars and price jumps 10x, guys. All of this in today's episode. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates, and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial market. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the chart. Taking a look at the 4-hourly chart here for the Litecoin US dollar pair, let me just show you some patterns that have been playing out for Litecoin. I do not usually do any Litecoin technical analysis. If you are one of my subscribers, you know I never get the Litecoin chart, but today I wanted to take it out and do some technical analysis. Let me just show you some patterns that have been playing out here. We can clearly see here an inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern here, right over there. Okay, shoulder, head, and the shoulder. Let me just get the neckline so you can see it from there. Okay, from this downtrend, clear neckline, inverse shoulder, head and shoulder pattern. The measured move, okay, would be getting from the head to the neckline, okay, and from the breakout, which is about there, we perfectly met the target here, as you can see, guys. All right, so that's one of them. So let me show you another pattern before we go into the technical analysis from today. Another pattern that's been playing out here is a descending triangle right just over here. I just want to show you the patterns, guys. I know that's not tradable. I just want to show you how accurate sometimes this basic technical analysis can be. Okay, we can see there's clear support right there. Let me just show you quickly. Clear support right here. All right, so this has been turned into heavy resistance. Once we broke this support area, we bounced, came back up, and look how it tested as resistance. And also we are retesting it right now as resistance. This is clearly a descending triangle, guys, if you can see it. Let me just get the triangle right there. If you can see, it's a descending triangle. Okay, multiple touches here at the support area and also up here as the resistance. Okay, and the measured move from this descending triangle would be getting the width here of the descending triangle down to the support area. Okay, and from the breakout, which was about here, you can also see that the target was almost met at, you could arguably say 90% of the target. So we were expecting a target at 165, yeah, and we arrived to 168 as a short position just there. Okay, so we could discuss that also was a pattern, and now we're hitting this major resistance area. What happens if we break this resistance area, which is going to be the next resistance level? Well, looking at the charts here, we can see that the next major resistance area would be the $204 range, as you can see right there. Okay, we have multiple touches of resistance and support. Let me just show you quick here with the arrows so it's clear. This is the 4-hourly chart, one touch of resistance there, also a couple of touches right there, and also here back again once we broke below this resistance area, the support area, turning it into resistance again. And now once we break here, the next move from the $195 range would take us to the $205 range, $204 range. As you can see here, I created also this downwards channel. Okay, multiple touches here on the resistance area, right there, right there, right there. Also right here, right there, creating this downwards channel. Okay, and the measured move of a breakout from this downwards channel would be the width of the channel, and from the breakout, okay, which is just there, this could take us to the $203, $204 range, which we are going to hit major resistance anyway. Okay, now I want to show you the big picture. Okay, go zooming out here on the big picture. Let me just get you, well, just zoom out here. We can see that we are creating a symmetrical triangle, and a symmetrical triangle that is created by coming from an uptrend is usually bullish. It is more bullish than bearish. Okay, I think it's about 60% of the chances it will break to the upside than the downside if we come in from an uptrend channel, from an uptrend. So as you can see, this symmetrical triangle right here that we had there broke to the upside, okay, and we actually went above the target. So from the breakout, you could see the first target was actually more or less around this area. We perfectly met the target, as you can see here on the chart. So if we break out from this symmetrical triangle to the upside, we'll be bouncing around in between resistance and support right here. This support area should hold nicely. As you can see, there's multiple touches here at the support area. So this should hold nicely. As you can see, we're going up, and this one also, this resistance area, you know, we've got two touches of point. It is very likely that we'll touch very, very soon the next one in the next coming days. But from the breakout, guys, the measured move here would be getting the top here of the resistance down to the support of the high. And from the breakout, you could discuss, we're going to break in between the 5th of April and the 10th of April. Just for entertainment purposes, we were just going to say it's going to break at this on the 7th of April. And this should take us all the way up to the $315 range for the Litecoin price, guys. So we could expect Litecoin hasn't gone parabolic just yet. I do expect this breakout to happen before the end of April, guys, as you can see here with this technical analysis. Remember, guys, that you can trade Litecoin against Bitcoin or US dollar here on PrimeXbt if you use my link in the description and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. You're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. You deposit $5,000, you're getting $2,500 of bonus on top of that to trade with, guys. Let's take a look at this news. New Zealand retirement funds multi-million dollar Bitcoin allocation surges 460% in 5 months. Citing New Zealand's funds management chief investor officer James Grigger, local news outlet Stuff reveals that $244 million retirement plan invested 5% of its capital in Bitcoin. Grigger says the fund first bought the top crypto when it was $10,000 in October of 2020. At the time of writing, BTC is valued at $56,000, well, it's $58,000 now, indicating that the fund's investment grew 460% in less than half of a year. If you're happy to invest in gold, you can rely discount on Bitcoin, says Gregor. The fund is part of the National KiwiSaver program that aims to help workers save for their retirement, similar to the 401k account in the US. On-chain analyst Willy Woo reveals that the fund printed huge gains after its Bitcoin allocation. And here we can see that because they added some more Bitcoin in Q4 of 2020, they had a total surge of 333%, guys. Without the allocation of Q4 2020, we can see a surge of 460%, guys, in less than 5 months. It is very, very difficult to find an asset that will give you these gains in the future. Let's take a look at this news. Visa plans to allow partners to settle fiat transactions with crypto. Visa is piloting a program that will allow its partners to use the Ethereum blockchain to settle a transaction made in fiat. In a Monday announcement, Visa said it will be partnering with cryptocurrency exchange platform and card issuer Crypto.com, which have multiple debit cards, to offer a crypto settlement system for fiat transactions later this year. Visa partners will reportedly be able to exchange US dollar coin over the credit card's payment network to clear transactions made in fiat currency. A great update, guys, from Visa, going to any online store or any store paying with US dollar coin with Visa, guys. Incredible. Oaktree Capital founder Howard Marks changes his mind about Bitcoin Bitcoin as demand soars and price jumps 10x. Oaktree Capital's Howard Marks has warmed up to Bitcoin. He admitted that he had a knee-jerk reaction to the cryptocurrency and dismissed it too soon. Since then, the price of Bitcoin was risen tenfold as demand for the cryptocurrency soars among retail and institutional investors. When Bitcoin rose in popularity, he was very dismissive for it because it doesn't have any intrinsic value. He added that he has been studying and found that people make the case for Bitcoin on the basis of supply and demand. He noted that the supply of Bitcoin is fixed, unlike the dollar, which can be printed in infinite amounts. And a lot of institutions are going to see the Federal Reserve printing these huge amount of trillions and then studying Bitcoin and noticing that Bitcoin has been here for over 10 years and it does have a mathematical formula which there's only going to be 21 million ever existing, guys. Institutions are going to jump into this. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies safely. We've got price predictions. Also, we've got the latest news and technical analysis. So I'll be leaving a link in the description of the website so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my Bybit leverage trading platform tutorial, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. A massive thank you for tuning in, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out and subscribe for coming updates, and I'll see you in the next one.